Hi there, welcome to Milk Movement. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your producer dashboard. Your producer dashboard gives you real-time production and quality information about your farm. It's your one-stop shop for managing your operations. To begin, log in to your Milk Moovement account. You are now viewing your producer dashboard. Your dashboard shows the current month's data. You can toggle to different months by using the date picker at the top of your screen. To change the month, click on the forward or backward arrows. You can also click on the date to open a calendar where you will be able to choose the month and the year. Next, we have your last lab report. The date on this card tells you the date that the sample was taken. Below the date, you will see the corresponding fat, protein, SEC, and Bacto result for that sample. Lab results are color-coded red, yellow, or green to indicate whether the component is above the allowable limit, approaching the allowable limit, or within the allowable limit, respectively, for penalties. Next, you will see details on your last pickup. The date on this card tells you the date of your last pickup. Below the date, you will see the time that has accrued since, and the volume for that pickup. Next, we have your shared files. Here you will see any files shared with you from other integrated parties, such as your cooperative. Click on the file to open it. Next, we have your production summary. First, you have the average daily production for your farm, as well as your previous month's average daily production. Next, you have the average weekly production for your farm, as well as your previous month's average weekly production. Finally, you have the total monthly production for your farm, as well as your previous month's total monthly production. Next, we have your lab averages. Here you will see the straight average of your lab results. The values will show as zeros if you have not yet received lab results this month. Lab results are color-coded red, yellow, or green to indicate whether the component is above the allowable limit, approaching the allowable limit, or within the allowable limit for penalties, respectively. Next, we have your penalty status. This will show you if your Bacto and somatic cell counts are within the allowable limits. If the boxes are green and say safe, then you are within your target. Other possibilities include warning if you are getting close to the upper limit of your target, infraction for an above standard result, and penalty for when your results meet the agreed penalty requirements. Next, we have your pickups and lab reports list. Here you will see all of your pickups and lab reports for the month sorted by date. You can use the button at the top to toggle between views. Toggle the button to the left to see split pickup and lab reports. Toggle the button to the right to have our software automatically match lab reports to pickups. Finally, we have your annual, monthly, and daily charts. These charts show both production and quality data. You can toggle between production and quality results by using the buttons or drop-down menu in the top right corner of the chart. And that's producer dashboards in your Milk Movement Producer account. Still have questions about your producer dashboard? Hit the chat button in the bottom right corner of your screen to send a message to Milk Movement support line. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video utterly helpful.